Hey friends, if you wish to know what version of Windows you have, then please watch this video. I'm assuming that you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, and here's what you have to do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now, in the elevated command prompt window, type the command WINVER and hit enter. So this will open the Windows details page. It says that the version is 24H2 and the build has also been shown here. It keeps on changing, but here's my advice. I always suggest my users, my audience, to update their Windows computer to the latest version. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.